This is West Burton Power Station, scene of a standoff between EDF, the electricity manufacturers, and a group of protesters who've ignored this notice and occupied two of the three chimneys that you can see in the distance there. It's very difficult to get close to this new gas power station because it lies in the grounds of the old coal-fired power station. The coal-fired power station here at West Burton is working as normal. You can see its cooling towers there and the tall chimneys. But the central chimney of the gas-fired power station has been closed down because on it at the moment are 11 protesters with a portable lavatory, solar panels and a little platform lowered down inside the flue, so they've had to close the thing down. They're also on the right-hand chimney, which hasn't been finished yet. This is a very new £600 million power station and it's not completely ready yet. The third chimney is capable of operating normally. The police are here and there's a sort of polite English standoff going on. The protesters say they've got equipment and food for a week and that they got in through a gap in the fences and spent the night hauling up their makeshift but really rather sophisticated equipment. And it is raining.